why you should stretch before bed. Among natural sleep remedies, from drinking chamomile tea to diffusing essential oils, stretching is often overlooked. But this simple act may help you fall asleep faster and improve quality of your sleep. A 2016 review of multiple studies found a link between meditative movements such as Tai Chi and yoga. This improved sleep quality was further linked to a better quality of life. Number 1, bear hug. This stretch works on rhomboids and trapezius muscles of your upper back. It helps to alleviate shoulder blade and discomfort or pain that's caused by poor posture or frozen shoulder. To do this stretch, stand tall and inhale as you open your arms out wide. Exhale as you cross your arms, placing your right arm over your left and your left over your right to give yourself a hug, because you deserve it. Breathe deeply as you can. To release, inhale to open your arms back open wide. Exhale and repeat with your left arm on top. Number 2, neck stretches. These stretches will help to relieve tension in your head, neck, and shoulders. Try to focus on maintaining a good posture when doing this. To do these stretches, sit in a comfortable chair. Take your right hand on the top of your head or to your left ear. Gently bring your right ear towards your right shoulder, holding this position for 5 breaths. Repeat on the opposite side. Number 3, kneeling lat stretch. This stretch helps to loosen up the muscle in your back and shoulders, relieving pain and discomfort. To do this stretch, come into kneeling position in front of a chair, couch, or low table. Check that your knees are directly under your hip. You can rest on a blanket or cushion for extra support. Lengthen your spine as you hinge at the hips to fold forward, resting your forearms on the surface with your palms facing together. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Now repeat this 1 to 3 times. Number 4, child's pose. Child's pose is a resting stretch that's similar to a kneeling lat stretch, but more relaxed. It's perfect for tuning into your breath, relaxing your body, and reducing stress. It also helps to relieve pain and tension in your back, shoulders, and neck. To do this, come down on your knees, sitting back on your heels. Hinge at your hips to fold forward and rest your forehead on the floor. Extend your arms in front of you to support your neck or bring your arms alongside your body. You can use a pillow or cushion under your tights or forehead for extra support. Breathe deeply, my friend, in while holding the pose, bringing your awareness to any areas of discomfort or tightness in your back. Make sure you do that. Hold this pose for up to 5 minutes if you can. You can also come into this pose between other stretches to give your body a rest. And number 5, a low lunge. This lunge stretches your hips, thighs, and groin. Opening your chest helps to relieve tension and pain in this area, as well as your back and shoulders. Try to stay relaxed when doing this pose, and don't push yourself too hard. Come on. To do this stretch, come into a low lunge with your right foot below your right knee and your left leg extended back, keeping your knee on the top. Bring your hands to the floor beneath your shoulders, on your knees, or up toward the ceiling. Breathe deeply again, focusing on lengthening your spine and opening your chest. Feel the line of energy extending out through the crown of your head. Hold this pose for 5 breaths. Okay, repeat on the opposite side. Number 6, seated forward bend. This stretch helps to loosen up your spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. It also stretches your lower back. Now, to do this stretch, sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Engage your abdominal slightly to lengthen your spine, pressing your sit bones into the floor. Hinge at your hips to fold forward, reaching out your arms in front of you. Relax your head and tuck your chin into your chest. Holding this pose up to 5 minutes helps. Number 7, a legs up the wall pose. This is a restorative pose that helps to reduce tension in your back, shoulders, neck while promoting relaxation. To do this stretch, sit with the right side of your body against the wall. Line your back as you swing your legs up against the wall. Your hips can be up against the wall for a few inches away. Choose the distance that you feel more comfortable in. You can also place a cushion under your hip for support and a bit of elevation. Rest your arms in any comfortable position you can. Remain in this pose for up to 10 minutes for better help. Number 8, a reclining bound angle pose. This relaxing hip opener can help to relieve muscle tension in your hips and groin, making it especially good if you spend most of your day sitting. To do this stretch, sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Lean back on your hands to bring your back, neck, and head to the floor. You can use cushions or pillows under your knees or head for support. Place your arms in any comfortable position. Focus on relaxing your hips and thighs as you breathe deeply. Hold this pose for up to 10 minutes. So, these were the 8 stretches that could help your nightly schedule to a more relaxing state. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and push the bell icon because it's going to help you become healthier.